अब आपके सामने है चैप्टर नंबर 15 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। चैप्टर नंबर 15 है द क्राउन ऑफ डायमंड्स और इस चैप्टर का एक्सप्लेनेशन पहले ही हो चुका है, जिसकी वीडियो आपको इसी चैनल पर मिल जाएगी। शुरू करते हैं क्वेश्चन आंसर को। हु वॉज द मैन हु केम टू विजिट होम्स? व्हाट डिड द मैन डू? वो कौन व्यक्ति था जो होम से मिलने के लिए आया और उस व्यक्ति ने क्या किया? मिस्टर अलेक्जेंडर होल्डर केम to visit Holmes. He was the head of the bank of Holder and Stevenson of Threadneedle Street in London. यहाँ पर यानी कहने का मतलब है कि मिस्टर अलेक्जेंडर होल्डर होम से मिलने के लिए आए थे और वो बैंक ऑफ होल्डर के हेड थे, जो कि थ्रेडनीडल स्ट्रीट, लंदन के थ्रेडनीडल स्ट्रीट जगह पर है। How had Mr. Holder acquired the crown of diamonds? Answer is Mr. Holder was visited by one of the noblest personages in England. He wanted a loan of £50,000 from Mr. Holder. He left the crown of diamond in Mr. Holder's care as a security. यानी मिस्टर होल्डर के से एक महान व्यक्ति मिलने के लिए आए इंग्लैंड के। उन्हें 50,000 पाउंड्स की ज़रूरत थी लोन की, इसलिए उन्होंने मिस्टर होल्डर के पास हीरो से सजा एक ताज उनकी देखभाल में एक सिक्योरिटी के रूप में जमा करवा दिया था। हाउ मैनी पीपल्स लिव्ड इन और फ्रीक्वेंटली विजिटिंग मिस्टर होल्डर हाउस? Answer is 2 people along with some trusted servant live in Mr. Holder's house. The friend of Mr. Holder's son frequently visited the house. The name of Mr. Holder's son was Arthur, and Mary was his niece, and the friend name was Sir George Burnwell. Question number 4. Who was arrested on the suspicion of having stolen 3 of the diamonds? How did the person react when he was arrested? Answer is Mr. Holder's son Arthur was arrested on the suspicion of having stolen 3 of the diamonds. Arthur began from his father to let him leave the house for 5 minutes so that he could find out the diamonds. Question number 5. What did Holmes dress up as and why? Answer is Holmes dressed up as a beggar and went to Burnwell's house to ask for him old clothes and shoes. Holmes did this as he wanted to compare the shoes of Burnwell with the footprint in the snow. Question number 6. How did Holmes solve the case? Answer is Sherlock Holmes noticed 2 sets of footprint in the snow. Holmes followed the second pair of footprint to the end of the lane. He dressed up as a beggar and went to Burnwell's house to ask for his old clothes. He compared the old shoes. He compared the shoes with the footprint and found that they were a match. He offered £3,000 to Burnwell for the 3 diamonds, took the diamonds by force and solved the case. Question number 1. I suppose you think I am quite mad. Question A. Who said this? Answer. Mr. Alexander Holder said this. Question number B. Whom did the speaker say to this? The speaker said to the Sherlock Holmes. Did the listener agree with what the speaker said? Answer. No, the listener did not agree with what the speaker said. The listener, Sherlock Holmes, understood that the man had some great trouble and need his help. Question number 2. You have stolen them, you evil boy. Who said this to whom? Answer is Mr. Alexander Holmes said this to his son Arthur. Question number B. Why did the speaker say this? Answer. The speaker said this because he had seen his son Arthur holding the crown in his hand and apparently trying to bend it. Question number C. How did the listener react? The listener's face turned red with insult because he was accused of stealing the diamond from the crown. तो हमारे यहाँ पर इस वीडियो में क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कंप्लीट होते हैं। अगर आपने फिर से बता देता हूँ, अगर आपने एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं देखा है, आपको हिंदी एक्सप्लेनेशन चाहिए इस चैप्टर का, तो आपको वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन से भी लिंक मिल जाएगा। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।